Summer after high school when we first met, we'd make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos.
Grabbed a bunch of blankets and climbed to the roof. Talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you.
In another life, I would be your girl. We'd keep all our promises, be us against the world.
In